Okay, Mama Duke. You wanted to see the chicken stand. It's simple, but it sells chicken. This is George's little corner store. See there? All the candies and chips and drinks and beer and ice, everything. And there, I'm talking Tagalog. Eating chicken now. Masarap?
Yes, okay. You're the suke.
We're the suke of the chicken?
You're the suke.
Okay. Okay. See, they cook it here and they put it on the strainer there. Mom, meet Mom. Mom, meet Mom.
I'm pangit.
No, hindi. You're not pangit. It's my mother-in-law. Crispy now. See how they put it on them banana leaves? And it runs off propane gas. I'm making video for Mom.
Pinapahatid pa rin yung isang manok bukas eh. Sino? Ni Marlon, maagang.
And Lord, the chopping board. Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap fried chicken.
Delicious.
Masarap means delicious. So anyway, this is it. It's Sunday, so there ain't a lot of people, but you can't see down through there anyway. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what you want me to video. You said you want to see. I'm talking broken English shit. You said you wanted to see the fry shack. That's the fry shack. Here's my price list. Whole chicken, $1.50. 47's $1, so that's a little over $3. That's in peso. 47 pesos is $1. Anyway, that leg, see where it says LEEG, 6 pesos? That's the little neck. That's that little piece right. That's the neck. People buy a lot of them. I think it's because it's cheap. Pak, that's wing. Hita, that's the leg and thigh. See there, leg and thigh together. And then pizzo, that's breast. And then of course half a chicken and a whole chicken. So whole chicken, half chicken, pizzo, breast, hita, that's the leg and thigh, pak, wing, leg is neck. I had to learn all that. Okay, alright, this is George's house. Matter of fact, I'll buy something from the store. You said you wanted to see a store too. I'm making video for my mom.
What?
Mom, meet NT4. Hello.
Why you video me?
No, she want to see the chicken stand. Can I have intelligent? The drink, Mama Sandra Rose. Can I have the what's sparkle lang? One lang.
Thank you very much.
Okay, salamat. Okay, I'm gonna go inside now. I at least wanted to make a few minute video, but see how the window is right, you know. So anyway, you can sit inside and still see the chicken shack. But it's Sunday evening. A lot of Sundays ain't real busy. I've been there and seen 8 people in line before. Big line. My drink? Oh, eating the chicken?
It's very good, masarap.
Masarap.
The Windix, you know.
Okay, Mom.
Nakain ng kanin.
Christmas tree. Merry Christmas.
Sa pa ako.
Mom video.
Ay,
Ay.
do I look like chicken na?
What's that?
Chicken again.
Chicken again?
Wala dito, tulo
Shit,
na yan. Oh,
I'm getting crazy to eating chicken.
Ayaw ko masyado ng lamig.
Chicken soup?
Ano sa'yo? Oo, masarap.
Okay.
Iniiwan ko talaga maliit lang.
Okay.
Pag may bumili, hindi lalamig.
I'm stopping the video now. Bye bye, Mom. Sige.